In previous chapters, we have understood how data is represented in binary format and how it's stored in different data types. Similarly, we have also understood how capacities of data types is calculated. We also partially looked at data type hierarchy and different integer data types. Now, in this quick lecture, we will compare different integer data types, starting with the smallest integer data type, that is byte, which occupies 1 byte or 8 bits of space, with its value ranging from -128 to +127, and it's a signed integer, as we can see. Then we have short, which occupies 2 bytes or 16 bits of space, with its value ranging from -32,768 to +32,767, and it's a signed integer, of course. Then we have the most popular integer data type of the lot, and we will discover that later, which is int, which occupies 4 bytes or 32 bits of space, with its value ranging from approximately -2.1 billion to +2.1 billion almost. And finally, we have the biggest integer data type, long, which occupies 8 bytes or 64 bits of space, with its value ranging from -2 raised to the power 63 to +2 raised to the power 63 minus 1. And if you wish to read these very big numbers, you are most welcome to take this challenge. All I know is that this number is bigger than the collective wealth in the world. So it's enough for us. And lastly, you must have noticed that we did not mention about a data type char. Well, chars, despite being an integer data type, are typically not used for arithmetic purposes. So we will explore char a little later in detail.